picked up the camera in a while. I should probably chew my cough drop before I start talking.
It's okay. Keep it in there. It's real life.
We're all really sick. But we've been sick since Monday. And we're sick of being sick. So we're forcing ourselves to get out of the house. And we'll probably regret it. But sometimes you have to fake it to make it. And right now, we're gonna fake it real hard. We are going to IKEA. Because we need to, you know, new year, new me, new us, new you, new everything. We need to get on our organizational stuff. And our house needs to be organized real bad. Today, my family and I started a Biggest Loser competition between us. So basically you like pay money, and then for 24 weeks we're going to lose weight and eat healthy and blah blah blah, all that stuff. And then whoever loses the most or has the biggest percentage of loss wins this pot of money. And my dad made it to where it's like, if you gain weight, you have to pay $2 every weigh-in. Oh, so today was weigh-in day. And we had to weigh in, and then we had to send it to the family, basically, like out yourself. And it was not enjoyable. And not gonna lie, I might have painted my toenails and shaved my big toes before I sent the picture over, because I wanted that picture to not be ugly. So yeah, that was interesting. I was, however, I'm not gonna lie, I was contemplating getting some weights and putting them in, like holding them and then taking the picture, so then I'd be like 15 to 20 pounds over. So then next week, miraculously, I'd lose a bunch of weight. But then I decided to be honest, and I know that I really need to do this, so whatever. I guess honesty is the best policy. Except for homeboy right here, I went to go weigh him to take a picture of it, and I was like, dang, I was like, you gained some weight. I was like, what is going on? And this guy works out every single day. Like, he's the most consistent person I've ever met when it comes to working out. And just because he knows it's healthy, and not because it's like a fad or he wants to get all like buff and stuff. He knows that he needs to do it, so he does it. Well, he gets on the scale, and I was like, oh, someone packed on those holiday pounds.
Which I did still.
Well, whatever. And then all of a sudden he pulls a freaking weight out of his back. And I was like, are you kidding me? So him and I had the same idea, but he actually did it.
Are you the ruler of the world? Or save the world? Or are you trying to ask me to get any kids? Yep. See you later, guys. You want to call me if you want to.
You like
See you
this?
later. My name is Karud Boss. Look, I want to do a job for anybody. Free jobs. Boss.
With a side of fries and a water.
Okay.
You want anything?
What else can I get for you?
You don't want anything? Oh, that's it.
Are you going to be eating this at your car?
Yes, please.
Okay.
I didn't get anything.
Oh.
I'm fine.
Neither did I. However, we did see a crazy police interaction. And I was too afraid to film because
He couldn't even see if you were
I don't
filming.
care.
It's like
But there's a thing about like I'm a rule follower.
it's right behind you. If you
There's a police officer stopped the other guy and making it he's giving him a ticket, I think, and maybe he got he went too fast.
Oh yeah, that's all
Maybe.
he saw. So the rest of the story is Finn's pulling over this guy. And he was a highway patrolman, so I'm guessing he was pulling him over from the freeway.
speeding probably.
And he pulls him over, and so they're parked at like this gas station over here. Well, while he's pulling over this guy, this lady gets out of her car and starts screaming and flailing her arms everywhere and going, just basically chewing out the police officer. As the police officer is trying to deal with the guy he pulled over, then the guy he pulled over gets out of his car and the police officer tells him to go sit down.
He's screaming at him.
And then the lady is screaming, and then the guy, he's trying to contain all situations. Well, then the lady runs to her car and speeds off. The guy calls on his little thing, you know. He calls more backup to come. And like right now there's like 4 police cars back there, and we rolled our window down to try to hear what was going on, but again, I was a little scared, so. Update on that arresting situation. We don't know what happened, so unfortunately we can't tell you guys what happened to those people.
Actually, she got tasered. Thrown
Oh
to
wait,
the ground.
oh wait, now I'm remembering.
Yeah.
She got tasered, thrown on the ground, and then the guy
The
ran
driver.
up to her and was like, I wanted you to marry me, but you ashamed our family.
And then the cop proposed.
And then the
to
cop
his
proposed.
partner.
Yeah.
So
Anyways,
they got married. She got arrested.
and now they broke up.
Yeah, so one relationship started, and one relationship ended.
Yep.
That was
Sad story. It was tragic. And then they broke out in a musical, and they started singing, "He's got the whole world in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands." It was crazy. But sorry we couldn't film it.